Have you ever placed cloves under floor trim or even beneath the floorboards? Most people think cloves are just for cooking, but that is far from true. I have been using this trick for 20 years, and it works wonders. Just grind some regular cloves into powder. Did you know cloves are such a powerful antiseptic that sailors in the 17th century chewed them to prevent scurvy and relieve toothaches? In ancient China, courtiers had to chew cloves before approaching the emperor to keep their breath fresh. Clove oil contains eugenol, a compound so strong it is still used today in dentistry as a natural painkiller and antiseptic. If you can remove your floor trims like I did, sprinkle the powder underneath and place the trim back. Why cloves? They naturally repel ants, fleas, moths, mosquitoes, flies, roaches, spiders, centipedes, and even mice. And the smell is fresh and pleasant. If the scent is too strong for you, try lavender or bay leaves instead. Or mix cloves with vinegar, strain it, and pour into a spray bottle. It works as a natural repellent and cleaner without any chemicals. Hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. It is completely free, and we share new tips every single day. Greetings.